How's it going, everybody? Let's dive into the Flatline Fiberco dump pouch and why I think this is an extremely effective tool that you could potentially put on your kit. I recently got back from another dismounted course for the military, and it just reaffirmed why dump pouches are necessary in certain environments. Now, of course, we're going to be comparing to some other stuff on the market. We're also going to dive into dimensions and showing what will fit in here just for your, entertainment, or just giving you purpose of trying to give you scale, which is often hard to do in a video. So we're going to be putting stuff in here later on in the video to give you an idea how big it is. Now, Flatline Fiberco makes, I think, 3 different models of this. This is their mini, and this is their 500D model. They do make a larger one in 500D, and then they also make one in like a 70D nylon, which is the same material as this. This is a Blue Alpha Gear 10-speed pouch. I have used these in the past. I still use these in certain contexts, but I shy away from these for rigidity purposes, which we'll get into here coming up. Now, why is this effective over another dump pouch? Well, the kind of smart thing they did was they mount it in line and under other pouches. For example, there is one riding right here underneath my radio pouch, right? This is where I keep my primary radio system for a Motorola, and then my 152, if necessary, I can flip to the back. But anyways, this rides or sandwiches behind and then under any other pouch with 2 column of MOLLE, which is super cool, the 2 vertical rows. You can place this behind any of these and it'll roll up. That's effective because you don't have to dedicate a slot on your belt or on your plate carrier to a dump pouch, which some people don't like dump pouches, but it's nice to have an effective tool. For example, this one has to be somewhere in here and it's going to take up a slot, which you could use for other things, right? Magazines, smokes, handcuffs or zip ties, or just insert mission requirement items. This allows you to keep that item, like say a radio or magazines, and also below it, put somewhere where you can put extra gear. No matter who you are, if you're running with a team of some sort, or just in general, you will find and collect other things that you need to stuff in here, right? Whether it be night vision, maybe extra ammunition, snacks. That's a big one. I sometimes put trail mix. If I'm on a long hike with my plate carrier trying to get to my objective rally point or something like that, I will put trail mix or water in here and I can just eat on the go. As I'm hiking, I'm not asking my buddy, hey, can you get something out of my backpack? I'm not pulling him off the firing line or his sector of fire that he's supposed to be watching. I'm not hassling my teammates. This is an effective, small pouch. It disappears that I can access. So dimension-wise, what are we looking at? This is the mini, of course. They do make a larger model. I prefer the mini just because it's big enough to fit majority of stuff, but not so massive that it literally just overwhelms you. For an example, here is a canteen. This canteen will fit precisely inside of it, fairly nice. It also has the shock cord around it, so you can cinch this up around the end. So if you don't want stuff falling out as you're maybe running or something, you can cinch this all the way up, and then see, it's tough to get out, so now you can pull it out. Now, other stuff like, of course, the magazine test. I'm not too sure how many magazines this will fit, but to give you a good idea, here's a single full magazine. It fits in there fairly low, right? It could be empty or full magazines, whatever you prefer. The Nalgene test, everybody kind of understands a Nalgene bottle, right? This will fit almost all the way inside of it. This one, the edge sticks up, as you can see. Now, I wouldn't have any issues cinching this up a little bit and carrying a Nalgene inside of it. If you're a battle board person, or maybe a non-commissioned officer or anything like that, or further up in the ranks, maybe you're carrying material with you, writing material, firing material, that kind of stuff, this battle board. You can fit a battle board in here very easily. Smokes, grenades, stuff like that if you need to. I don't recommend that because they're kind of loose in there. I recommend a dedicated pouch, but sometimes you get thrown extra equipment. Lastly, this is a JFAC, or trauma kit for the military. This is what's issued. I don't recommend doing this, but this is just another example of what can fit in here. This will fit in here very snugly, pretty much perfectly. Although I do not recommend doing this. This should be mounted to your kit on another easy location to get. But for the most part, to give you the size of it, this will fit snugly in there, just like this. So, just give you some ideas with it. Now, like I was talking about, I think this is an effective item. I do not make any money off of this whatsoever. Flatline Fiber Co. has no idea I'm doing this video. It is me just sharing my actual operational experience with all of you out there. Take that for what it's worth. I'm just one single dude doing things in the military. There's hundreds of thousands of other people, but I'm just sharing my experience literally for free. So take it or leave it, whatever you prefer. I've been using it effectively. I prefer it over other models out there, and I do recommend it. I do not make any money unless you value this and you want to donate or use Amazon links and stuff available. I don't think these are on Amazon. You got to go directly to the website. So again, I don't see any money, but just trying to pass on good information that I have learned over the years, and I really like this pouch, and I will continue to use it. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, want to see more, if you want to see a full rig rundown, I can show you the older video, which is not actually that old, and it's fairly similar. But if I get enough likes or comments, you guys, hey, you want a full run through of my operational kit that I use every day, definitely leave it in the comment section, and we will see what we can do about that here in the future. Other than that, recommend it. Pretty cool. And I hope y'all have a great day.